Project administrator open for importing data. During import, it is not required the password or username. You can easily do it, but in case of exporting, you will require password and user ID. Let us see the process of importing. We are importing from external SSD.
No, we have to copy first. We will copy first and
Yeah, copy in the same computer, then then import. This is my dear brother Shiva.
hello.
He is copying the file from external SSD to the computer, then from the computer importing will be done.
There is a March and there is a June. June 2023.
March.
Huh?
Best June. But Rovi, if in the name of Rovi was only working in ST.
Yeah, this is ST only. ST
Uh-huh.
log
Uh-huh.
G12.
Yeah, okay. And what about GT? Oh, GT you have taken from there,
Yeah,
right?
GT from this PC
Uh-huh.
only.
Okay.
E320 share.
June is okay because he went in March. Then after 3 months back
He
he
came
came.
in
Then he
June.
took again maybe after doing something.
Then March I will not use it. 36 June. What others?
Tawfiq is the last DCS engineer
No,
here.
then we have in 12 December 2021 there is one backup. We can
But
put this one.
yeah,
For
okay.
ST we will use
Ha.
2023. Other three we will use the December.
This
December 21. This is 9th month. This is 6th December 2022. There is in March there is one.
GT
2022.
GT. This is
No,
GT.
11 and 14. This is open cycle and open cycle and DCS BOP. We have 2022.
Keep it.
Tausif.
Data of Tausif, latest one you can take.
Okay, then from Tausif we can take this one. And 14.
14 is CC common cycle
Yeah, 14
আর
also I will
and
take
11 is open cycle
yeah,
আর GT 13
GT 13 and 12 is ST.
12 is ST ENG lock
What about the GT? GT is 13. We can use this one. 2021 December.
ওই ডাটাগুলো কপি করতেছে এক্সটার্নাল ডিস্ক থেকে তারপর আপলোড করে দিব
লেটেস্টটা দেখছেন কোনটা লেটেস্ট আছে? বেশি লেটেস্ট আছে এরপর আর নাই না।
হ্যাঁ ওই জিটির যেটা ওইটা 21 সালের ডিসেম্বর পর্যন্ত আছে তৌসিফ যখন নিছিল আর এসটিরটা তো 23 সালে রবি মনে আসছিল পরেও নিছে